Hey guys, good day. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we talk a little about trading. Those that are trading cryptocurrencies, you can see this is where I bought at the time. This is where I bought at the time. You can see it, and it goes up. See where I sell at the time, and it goes down here before I bought. Now, most people, you can see the chart. See the chart keep going up, keep going up. And the chart I bought here now, it keeps going here. Now these are profit place to take. Now most people, they don't know where to take profit, they don't know where to buy. Now I'm making this video for the sake of traders, new beginners that are coming to the space. Now these are charts you have to listen to. Yeah, these are charts listen to. Now there are places to buy. Whenever a coin, let me give you a quick view. When a coin is going up, it's going up this way. These are places to buy. You buy here and you sell here. That's how it is even in the spot market. Now this is future trading. Now for those of you that are familiar to spot trading, spot is very easy. You buy when the price fall, you sell when the price goes up, you buy when the price goes down. That's how you make money in the industry. That's how it is. Now future is opposite. In future, if you want to buy, it's the same thing though, but the trading look unfamiliar. But most cases, if you want to sell, you sell here as it's falling. You sell here, and it will fall to some extent. Then you wait. Either you wait to your target point, then you exit the market. Then if you want to buy, you want to press long. For instance, I want to enter long. You should be longing here. You should be longing here. Then after entering here, then you will be longing with the market and take your profit. That's how to trade. Now if you want to short, let me use red for this. Now if you want to short, you'll be shorting from here. Then the market will be giving you profit till here. Then you leave the market, you exit the market. Now these are things you do with trading. This is how to trade. Okay, there's nothing more anybody can tell you more than this. This is just a simple fact. You buy when the price goes down, you position yourself here, you long and you collect profit here. If you want to short, you short at here and it goes down to your profit. Understand? Here you short, which is short. Here you buy, which is long. That's how it is. You long, which means the market is going to go long. Then the market goes your favor, you take profit. If you see the market is going to short, you enter here on time and the market shorts your favor. You take profit. Now, the problem people are facing that they don't know when to short, when to long. They don't know when to position. They can't really fathom an entry and exit point. So this is one of the problems people are facing in the industry. That is where mentorship comes in. Mentorship comes in because these things is not something you can really fathom. You might be lucky, but you will not be lucky always. Lucky is not a skill. Lucky is chance. But skill is something that you do every day. You see the chances every day. Now that's how it works. You see Bitcoin move up and down. You see Bitcoin is 81,900, 22,000. Now, in some minutes from now, you'll be seeing the price be changing. Now it's gone to it's not 807, 809. You see it? It's not stable. So people make money from this instability. That's what we call trading. As Bitcoin falls and rise, people make money from it. And that is how you make money from the charts. You short here and you take profit around here. Or here, if you can be patient, then you long here, you take profit here. If you can be patient, that's how it is. You can take profit here, you can take profit here. Now if you want to short, you can take profit here or take profit here. Now these are things to take consideration into. Now if you want to trade, I will make another video about leverage on that video. But if I see reasonable comment and request to make videos on trading, I'll be executing a live trade for you guys and for you to see the trade, how it goes. So guys, like this video if it interests you, and if you want to see part 2 of this video, how I'm going to do live trade, so watch out for it, and it will be coming soon. So share this video, like and share this video. I made it for you to understand, not for me. I already passed the stage. I'm already teaching you for you to learn. Those are coming up. So guys, so bye for now. Peace out.